Hey guys, Chris from Plastec. I'm the technical product specialist here. Yeah, Plastec are an injection moulder, primarily dealing in plastics. So anything plastic, particularly plumbing plastic, so PVC is the most common thing we mould here, but we mould everything. We mould polypropylene, polybutylene, ABS, ASA, you name it, we can mould it. Yeah, 35 years ago, we were founded by a local, Sid Hawthorne, who invented a clip, a plumbing clip that was used to clip hot and cold water systems. That one product has now led to us, here we are 35 years later with 2,000 product lines in the plumbing industry. It's been an amazing success story, and it's been driven by innovation the whole way. Injection moulding is primarily taking a raw product, running it through a machine. The machine then melts that raw product down. It gets injected into a die within the machine. That mould then gets cooled down and then it gets spat out of the machine. And all that happens within a couple of minutes normally. I guess we're unique in the fact when it comes to plumbing, we do everything from a water perspective. And we can mould something as small as a Lego piece to something as big as a human being in something that you see behind me here. It is a high-tech process in itself, but there's a lot of add-ons that can take that to another level. Primarily things like robotics, which has really come to the fore recently. Lasers. We've introduced a new production control monitoring system, which is absolutely mind-blowing as far as being able to monitor each individual machine at any one time. We would know exactly where that machine is from a number perspective, how many items has been moulded. That would have been a manual role. Now it's fully automated. These sort of things which enable that processing to go to a whole new level, speed it up, and make it all the more efficient at the same time. Yeah, a good example of the technology that we have is what I'm standing in front of. We've got two of the biggest injection moulding machines in Australia. So what we can produce out of a machine this size could only be brought in from Europe and other places around the world. We can proudly say that we can now do that from a manufacturing basis right here on the Sunshine Coast. It's almost too hard to import talent to the Sunshine Coast sometimes. So we've made a real investment in local people. Plastec would employ somewhere in excess of 120 people. Most of those people would be based here at this facility on the Sunshine Coast. Yeah, at the MEF event at the end of June, the guests will be taken through our fully automated PVC injection moulding facility. There they'll see products being injection moulded from raw product material stage through to in your hands within a couple of minutes of being moulded. And from there, we'll come in here and we'll have a look at these two massive machines. Look, we're really excited about this and happy to host an MEF forum, and we can't wait to see everyone here.